Relax your shoulders on your fingertips. Firm up your body as you're anchoring down through your feet and lifting up from the ground.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Rico here, CEO of SourceFind Asia, Coast to Main Channel podcast, and the host of the SourceFind Asia YouTube channel. Of course, back with another one. It's a little bit of a different one. Quick test for my audience. I wonder how many people could guess where this quote is from without Googling it. Anyways, in this video, I wanted to talk about doing Muay Thai for the first time since March of this year. So that's roughly almost 6 months, at minimum 5 months, a little bit over 5 months. First time doing Muay Thai since lockdown is the name of the video. Started doing Muay Thai last year in the summer. There's videos on the YouTube channel. It's become a real passion of mine, especially when I was here in the Philippines for 2+ months last year. I was doing Muay Thai very diligently for the entirety of that period, and then I've done it when I was in China. I did it when I traveled, when I was in Zambia, and then when I came to the Philippines again in February, I did Muay Thai again for like a month. So I think in totality, I've probably done about 5 to 6 months of training. I just started contact sparring before lockdown, so I was just beginning to put together the technique of blocking and things like that, and actually getting hit by my trainers. So it was unfortunate because I just felt like the progression, and it's one of those things like it's if you're talking about something that's going to keep you fit, like Muay Thai is what it is. So yeah, today Saturday actually, I ended up watching Cobra Kai on Netflix, and I was watching it and I was just like, man, I've been thinking about getting back on the Muay Thai train for a minute, and watching the Karate Kid in 2020, like the updated version of Karate Kid in 2020, I actually got inspired. I was like, I need to get back on these Muay Thai streets. So on Sunday morning, I ended up going to Fight Factory in BGC. That's the place I train. There was 2 trainers. One of them, Clinton, who's my guy. He was the first guy that ever trained me. He's there. So I was like, hey man, like let's get the personal training going. Let's start like Tuesday. Let's go. So cut to Tuesday, which is today. He came through, and we just got done. That's why I'm dressed the way I'm dressed. It was cool because I was expecting myself to be completely like I was expecting to die. You know, I was like, I haven't done this intense kind of training or exercise since lockdown. I've done a lot of other things, like been doing HIIT recently and gotten super into yoga as well. But I just didn't think that I was gonna be in any way, shape, fit. But started off really strong. The gate fucking swinging. First couple rounds were really good, and then I started to fade towards the end. We did 8 rounds. Just to break down the workout, it was like you do the warm-up session, a combination of light cardio and stretching. We do 3 rounds that are 3 minutes with a 30-second break in between, and then rest, and then 3 rounds. We repeat 3 rounds, 30-second break in between, and then I did some sort of intense like stretching, ab workouts type of thing, and then we did another 2 rounds. So all in all, 8 rounds total. If I think this is with any sort of fighting sport, boxing, mixed martial arts, whatever, you have to learn how to pace yourself in terms of your stamina. So like either you can try to knock out somebody in the first round, or you can try to like reserve your energy throughout the fight, or try to like reserve your energy in total and then try to go crazy at the end. My thing is I usually try to just kind of keep a sort of steady pace throughout the exercise, so I don't lose my technique. But today I completely forgot about that. I think I was just like so excited. I came out and I was just going ham in the first 3, 4, 5 rounds, and then I felt by round 6 I was losing it. And what tends to happen is like you just become slower, your punches are weaker, you start to lose technique. Like it's just like I went from like feeling on top of the world to the last 2 rounds where my trainer is just like, yeah, do that again. Yeah, no, swing again. Lean back more. I was like, oh yeah, I'm tired. Like I could tell. But yeah, overall, I think it's super important. Just these are unusual times. Trying to get back to doing things that you love. Of course, I have to do training in my apartment, which is, you know, it's first world problems, but I couldn't do this 2 weeks ago, right? Like I wouldn't even be able to bring somebody into my apartment. So it's just trying to bring my life back to some semblance of normalcy and keep myself engaged and healthy. I plan on continuing. I'm gonna do 3 times a week for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks I'll probably ramp it up to 4 times a week. And in between I usually do a lot of yoga on my off days, and a combination of yoga and some dumbbell training and a little bit of HIIT. All right, cheers.
I got the bag, I got the money, I got the bag, I got the money.
Hit it like a god, I'm a genius. Hands up high to the ceiling. Something but the vibe, I can feel it. Throw 'em at a line, I'ma reel it. All up on my time, I'm a realist. $1 million mind, I'ma feed it. When I hit the beat, I'ma eat it. All about the grind and the reason. Hater want drama, I don't need it. Hey, I done came up. My old man told me to my game up. I've been in the hood with my day ones.
I got the money, I got the bag, I got the money, I got the bag, I got the money, I got the bag, I got the money.